Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create dramatic thud effect in CapCut. So here you can just prepare the video that you want to edit, and here split the video into two. So split it to where you want to start the dramatic thud effect. So for example, I'm going to split in here. Okay, and on the second clip here, go to adjust, then lower the saturations of the video into -50 so it become black and white like this. Then to have a dramatic effect, you can slow it down. So go to speed, click on normal and slow it down to your liking. I'm going to go with 0.6 seconds. Click on the smooth slow-mo and choose a better quality. Click on the check icon. Now just wait until the smooth slow-mo is applied. Then to add more a dramatic effect after you slow it down, you can just add a keyframe at the start. Then go to the end of the clip and zoom it in. So like this. And after that, let's go back and click on the transition box. Go to the overlay category and then select the superimpose transition. This one's right here, adjust the duration to your liking. After that, click on the check icon, and this is it. You are basically done. But if you want to, you can also add a sound effects in between the clips to have it more dramatic. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.